Hey guys, welcome back to our channel Enjoy Life. Hope you are all doing good. Today I am going to share a fish recipe, papaya potato fish curry. It is too delicious and too healthy. And it is too easy to make also. Don't skip this video. Don't forget like, share and subscribe. Please comment me in comment box how is this recipe. So let's start this recipe.
At first, taking 9 pieces of rohu fish, 500 grams of long pieces of light boiled papaya, then 3 big size potato that I have already boiled, 1 big carrot cut into pieces. Now going to marinate the fish pieces, adding 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, then mixing well. Marination done. Now going to fry. Taking a karai, adding 4 tablespoons of refined oil. You can use mustard oil also. Heating oil, adding 1/4 teaspoon of salt. I am adding salt because fish will not stick with kadhai. Mixing well. Adding fish pieces on the hot oil, frying in batches. After 3 to 4 minutes, one side is done. Now flipping other side very carefully, otherwise fish pieces will break. After 3 to 4 minutes, frying done. Now removing from kadhai. Frying next batch of fish pieces. Frying in same ways. All fish pieces frying done. In the same oil, adding boiled potato pieces, adding boiled papaya pieces, adding carrot pieces, then mixing well. Adding half teaspoon of salt, sprinkling on the top, and then mixing well, frying lightly. After 4 to 5 minutes, frying done. Now removing from kadhai, removing very gently. In the same kadhai, adding 1 tablespoon of oil. Oil is hot now, adding half teaspoon of kalanji and adding 2 bay leaves, adding 4 green chilies, then frying lightly, adding 1 big size onion cut into slices and frying lightly. After 2 minutes, frying done, adding 1 tablespoon of ginger paste, then mixing it, saute it approx 1 minute. After 1 minute, frying done, raw smell is gone, and that time adding 2 teaspoon of cumin powder, half teaspoon of red chili powder, 1.5 teaspoon of turmeric powder, then adding little bit of water, then frying all together, frying approx 1 minute. After some time, masala frying is done, adding 2 medium size finely chopped tomato, then adding half teaspoon of salt, frying it, waiting for soft, mixing well. After some time cooking, tomatoes are softened now, adding fried veggies, mixing well, mixing all together. cooking approx 2 to 3 minutes altogether. After 2 to 3 minutes cooking, adding 3 cups of water. Now mixing well and waiting for a boil. Boil is coming, adding fried fish pieces, then cooking more 5 minutes. Fish pieces will absorb all flavors of masalas. Now checking salt in this time. Salt is perfect. After 5 minutes cooking, papaya potato fish curry is ready. Now turning off the gas. Now serving in a plate. Getting a yummy aroma. Looking too delicious. It is really too tasty and healthy also. It is good for health. Putting some gravy on it. Try it with steamed rice. My lunch is ready.
Thank you for watching this video. Try this recipe at your home as a regular curry. Don't forget like, share and subscribe. And please on the bell icon. Stay healthy and happy. Thank you.